ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about is and are. When you use words is and are, is for one person, thing, or animal. Are. We used are for more than one person, thing, or animal. Look at the picture. The flower is pink. Can you see how is used? We use is for one thing. Take a look at this picture. The flowers are pink. Remember that we use are for more than one thing. Here's another picture. The girl is playing. How is used in a sentence. Is used with girl. We use is for one person. Here's another picture. The girls are playing. We use are for more than one person. The cat is small. How is used in a sentence. Is used with cat. We use is for one animal. Look at this picture. The cats are small. How is are used in a sentence? Are is used with cats. We use are for more than one animal. Let's review. Remember, use is for one person, animal, or thing. Use are for more than one person, animal, or thing. Examples. The leaf is green. The leaves are green. He is my friend. They are my friends. My toy is in the box. My toys are in the box. Job well done, kids.